So this is how I myself get to planetarium and make the most research points. I got this tip from a YouTube channel I don't remember, so yeah. So what you need is a hook shot, two of these, and two sticky dynamites, and one for the main process and one in case of this. So I want to go into the mines. Then you go down into the mines. Whoa. Ow, that hurt. Anyway. Then you just want to go to planetarium, so I think I know the way to the planetarium. No, that's not the way to the planetarium. Okay, then you go to the planetarium. Then you go to this planet right here, the purple planet. You don't need to select anything. You have to put them both down at once. Then all this, yeah. Then run. And I should get some research points. I don't know how much. Boom. That was very important. Yeah, and you can also get company points from this map. So yeah. And also small tips. Eat two mini broccoli, and then so boom. That's how you get most research points. Just make sure to. You know what? Never mind.